In this short video we're going to download CCleaner, which is another all-in-one PC repair tool, a bit similar to Glary Utilities. It's powerful in different ways to Glary. In particular, it's got a good registry cleaner which is going to clean up some system files for us on the computer. It has got a range of other tools as well, which will use one of those other tools in particular. Once we've downloaded CCleaner and run the scans and fixes, you can actually remove it from your computer if you don't want it on your PC. Otherwise, you can leave it on there, and I recommend that you run the scans once a week along with Glary Utilities and Malwarebytes as your regular PC scans. First thing to do is open up your browser. Whether you're using Edge or Google Chrome, I'm using Google Chrome, left click once. And when your search engine appears, type in CCleaner and press the enter key. Okay, we're going to click on download CCleaner just here. Let's scroll down and we're going to click on free download. There is a paying version. You can upgrade if you want to, but the free version is good enough, so click on free download. Installation has now started, so you can close the browser down while we finish off the rest of the installation. And it's going to take a couple of minutes, so we'll come back shortly. Okay, so the next part of the setup is complete, and now we want to click on install. That's going to finish off the installation. We'll come back again shortly. Okay, we can decline here. Left click on decline. CCleaner is now finishing off the setup. We'll come back in a second. So CCleaner is now set up on our computer. A little desktop icon has appeared here, so if you want to run it anytime in the future, just double click on the icon and this will open up. We can run the CCleaner. There are a couple of tools that I want you to use with the CCleaner in particular, so I'll show you how to use those now. We're going to unclick the view release notes. We don't need to see that. Click on run cleaner. And this is the interface that you'll be confronted with when you double click to open up CCleaner. We don't need to bother with the PC health check. We're going to go straight for custom clean. So left click once on custom clean. And we're going to click on Run Cleaner. The selected files will be deleted from your PC. That's fine. Go ahead and click Continue. And that's now going to scan your computer. It's going to go through your browser and through applications on your computer and delete anything that it thinks is unnecessary in an attempt to optimize your computer. This works well in conjunction with Glary Utilities, so I recommend that you run this once a week. So cleaning is complete. You should notice your computer will work a little bit faster than it did before, but we're not finished yet. We're going to go to registry, so left click once on registry. This is a powerful tool that scans for registry problems within the system files on your computer. So we're going to click for scan for issues, left click once. So the scan is complete. It's found 7 issues, which isn't too bad. Normally it can find hundreds when you run the registry cleaner. We're going to click on review selected issues. We don't want to back up the registry, so click on no. And then we're going to fix all selected issues here. Left click once, and that will fix those 7 issues. Issues fixed, it tells us. We can now close that window. So that's it for CCleaner for now. I only want you to run those 2 scans in particular, the custom clean and registry. There are other tools that CCleaner offers you. You can use it to uninstall programs from your computer. But you can also do that from the search box as well. There's a startup menu which you can disable programs from startup, but again we'll talk about that later on your computer. Browser plugins, you can delete any plugins with your browser, but again you can do that from your browser as well. So feel free to research this and have a look on the internet if you want to explore further repairs using CCleaner. But as I say, we're just interested in custom clean, registry clean, and once we've done that we can close the CCleaner down and move on to our next repair.